Hello guys. So in this video, what I want to go over is how to find or write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that goes through a certain point and has a specific slope. So this one we have to look at very carefully, okay? Because there are two different types of so there are two ways to do this, and there are two equations in which you use. So I'm going to do it both ways. So first of all, we want to know the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that goes through -3, 6 and has a slope of -2/3. Now, from what we know about slope-intercept form, we know that y equals, and let's say mx plus let's say b, right? Like that. So there's a reason why I'm putting it this way, and this is in slope-intercept form. We went over this, I think, in the last video. And basically, what you can do is, you know that you have a point here. So we have a point right here, and that's -3, 6, right? So what you can do is, you can say that x is equal to -3, and you can say that y is equal to 6, right? And we know from the definition of a slope and the definition of slope-intercept form that m is your slope. And this problem says that the equation has a slope of -2/3. So we can say that m equals -2/3. Now, we have x, we have y. What about b, though? So basically, the reason why I'm naming x and y is to specifically find my y-intercept. So I can write the following. Like I said, y equals m and then x plus b, right? So like this. And b is my y-intercept, right? So basically, here, I know that y is 6, right? So 6 equals, and I know that my slope is -2/3, so -2/3. And then I know that x is -3 because it goes through the point -3, 6. So x is -3. So I can say times -3, and then plus, and then I have b here, right? I have a b right there. So now it's a matter of solving for b, right? So we have 6 equals, and then -2/3 times -3. That's just going to be, so let's see. It'll be, so the 3's cancel out. -2 times -1 is 2, and then plus b, right? So then, let me write it this way. So then, to solve for b, you just have to subtract 2 on both sides, right? And then you get that b will be equal to 4. So then you can write this equation in slope-intercept form. So y is equal to, and then m, like I said, it's -2/3, and then we have x plus 4. This would be my final answer, okay? There is another way to do this. So the other way in which you can do this is you can use something called the point slope form. Okay, so this is a formula where if you have a specific point and a slope called m, then you can find the equation of the line using point slope form. And this is the formula, this is represented by the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So x, or it's really y sub 1, but yeah. So m is the slope and x1, y1 is the point. So we can go ahead and say that, so let's write down the formula. So y, so let me write it down really quick. Okay, so like I said, this is point slope form. It goes through -3, 6, so we can say that this is x1 and this is y1, and the slope is -2/3, so m is -2/3. So we can say y minus, and we have 6 equals -2/3 times x minus, and we can say -3, right? So this. Okay, so then we have y minus 6 equals -2/3 times, and then x minus -3 is just x plus 3. Our goal is to solve for y, to get it into slope-intercept form. So we're going to say y minus 6 equals, and we're going to do distributive property, -2/3 x. The 3 cancels out, so it'll be -2. Okay, now we have, so the last thing that you have to do is you have to add 6 to both sides, right? So then you get y equals -2/3 x plus 4. Okay, and this is exactly what I got over here when I did it using the other method. So either way works, guys. If they tell you to use point slope form, use point slope form, and if they don't say to use point slope form, you can use slope-intercept form as long as you get the equation. I would really read the question carefully, and if they tell you to use point slope form, use point slope form, but if not, you can use slope-intercept form and use, like, you know, this method here that I did over here. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.